Hi, I'm Rich Torrey, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? As I said earlier this week, with the holiday season upon us, I thought we'd spend the rest of the year drawing holiday-ish type subjects. There are so many of them, and so many of them are fun to draw. In today's lesson, I thought we would draw 3 well-known snowmen, all of which we will introduce along the way. Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw some snowmen. In each of the 3 drawings, we're going to be using the Level Up Cartooning process. In step 1, we lightly draw a road map of the character. Step 2, we rough out the features of that character, still drawing lightly. And finally, in step 3, we draw in the details. Our first snowman is from the award-winning children's book and animated special, aptly named The Snowman, in which a boy builds a snowman that comes to life that night and takes the boy on a silent, amazing adventure. I say silent because not a word is spoken in the book or in the special. So let's draw the snowman. So there is the snowman from The Snowman. For our next one, I've chosen a very recognizable snowman from the holiday classic Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And while I've seen it 100 times, I never knew that the snowman had a name. It's Sam. Sam's voice was done by the legendary singer-actor Burl Ives. Burl had a very distinct voice. Alright, so let's draw Sam the Snowman from the classic Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Christmas special. there we have it, Sam the Snowman from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So we have time for one more snowman. I thought we'd go with Olaf from Disney's Frozen movies. He's such an expressive character, which makes him fun to draw. Alright, so let's draw Olaf the Snowman. Alrighty, there they are, the Snowman, Sam the Snowman, and Olaf, the Snowman. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn one of these characters before, let alone all of them, then you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our snowmen during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the level up cartooning process, which hopefully you got a feel for. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing these 3 snowmen. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, they'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your versions of Sam, Olaf, and the Snowman. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag level up cartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.